Hello there! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to unravel the mystery behind red teams, blue teams, and purple teams. So if you've ever wondered what these colorful teams are all about, stick around because we've got you covered. Let's start with the fundamentals. In the world of cybersecurity, we often hear about red teams and blue teams. Both play vital roles in safeguarding organizations from cyber threats, though their missions differ significantly. For example, blue teams include roles such as SOC analyst, incident responder, security analyst, security engineer, and threat hunter, and more focusing on defense and protection. On the other hand, red teams are made up of roles like penetration tester, red team operator, ethical hacker, offensive security engineer, and exploit developer, specializing in simulating attacks to identify vulnerabilities. First up, the red team. Think of the red team as the attackers or hackers. Red team members are highly skilled ethical hackers who use the same techniques and tools as malicious hackers to find vulnerabilities. Their job is to simulate real-world cyber attacks on an organization's systems, networks, and applications. Their goal is to identify weaknesses before the bad guys do, so organizations can fix them. Now, let's talk about the blue team. If the red team are the attackers, then the blue team are the defenders. These cybersecurity professionals are responsible for protecting the organization's assets. They monitor networks, analyze threats, respond to incidents, and implement security measures to keep the bad guys out. Blue teams are like the cybersecurity guardians, always on the lookout for suspicious activities. Red teams and blue teams often work together in what's called red team versus blue team exercises. These simulated attack and defense scenarios help organizations test and improve their security posture. But there's more to the story. This is where the purple team comes in. Now, let's talk about the purple team. The purple team is a blend of red and blue team members who collaborate to enhance an organization's security. Instead of working in silos, they share insights, techniques, and strategies. The purple team's mission is to foster continuous improvement in cybersecurity by ensuring that both offensive and defensive measures are aligned and effective. So, why is the purple team so important? Well, it bridges the gap between attackers and defenders, creating a more holistic approach to cybersecurity. By combining the strengths of both teams, organizations can proactively identify and mitigate risks, making it harder for cyber threats to succeed. To sum it up, red team, ethical hackers simulating attacks to find vulnerabilities. Blue team, defenders protecting systems and responding to threats. Purple team, a collaborative effort between red and blue teams to enhance overall security. Each team plays a vital role in an organization's cybersecurity strategy, and together they create a stronger defense against cyber threats. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next video.